Sir, I was not able to do that.
Okay.
No, sorry, I did it right now. I did it.
Okay. What should I do?
Second. 87 upon 100 into 325. So I got my answer as 282.7. So I added 325 to it. So my final answer was 607.7.
If he spends 87%, then he would be saving 100 minus 87%. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So this is his saving. %13 of total salary would be equal to Satya.
So I didn't understand.
Sarthak.
What's your worst strat?
13% of total salary would be how much?
So 325 rupees.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So let me assume that the total salary is, Mr. Sarthak,
X.
X. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, you need to repeat all these questions.
Okay, sir.
Sarthak, X would be?
Um. 325 into 100 upon 13.
And Satya, what is X? Satya, what is X?
What, sir?
Sarthak, what is X?
So 2,500 rupees.
Arey sir, X is the total salary. The total salary is 2,500. Satya, have you understood the question? Satya, have you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
See, let us understand this. A man spends 87% of his salary. 87% spend कर दिया. If he saves 325, तो save कितना किया? अगर spend 87% किया, तो save he would have done 13%. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Now we want to find his salary. अभी जो saving है 325, जो saving है 325, वो 13% है किसकी? Total salary की. And that is why we have written 325. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
देखिए, he has spent 87%. Therefore, he would have saved 13%. Now his saving, which is 13%, is 13% of the total salary, is his actual saving. We assume the total salary to be X, and then we calculated for X. X came to be 2,500. Any doubts still?
No, sir.
Solve the question 13.
So minus 15 of 8,000 rupees.